Seeken AutoNova, our Wi-Fi smart plug adapter unboxing. By using this device, you can save a lot of electricity by scheduling when to turn on or turn off your devices which are connected to AutoNova by using the app. There is an AutoNova and a user manual in the box. You can read the manual to learn how to set up the device or continue watching this video. This device has a rated power of 2500 watt or 10 ampere. You can connect any devices with a total power between these ratings. It also has an intelligent chip inside that can detect when the device is overpowered and automatically turns off to prevent any damage to your device. To download the companion app, scan the QR code on the device or on the package, or search Smart Life app available in both Android and iOS. After downloading the app, open and agree the following terms showed, and either sign up, sign in or skip sign in and continue. You will then be taken to the Add Device tab. To add the device, first plug it into a socket and then tap the side button once to turn it on. If it is turned on, a blue light will appear. To pair the device, long press the side button for 5 to 6 seconds, then remove your hand and wait for 2 seconds. The side button's blue light will blink, indicating that it is now in pairing mode. Following that, accept the settings shown in the video. You must turn on your Bluetooth and also allow the nearby device's permission. After that, Seeken AutoNova will be displayed at the top. Pair by tapping on it. After tapping, enter your Wi-Fi password and complete the setup. Note that this device will only function if the phone and AutoNova are both connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Do not worry, after setting the timer, it will automatically turn the device on or off, even if the phone is not in the same Wi-Fi network. Only the same Wi-Fi network is required to set up the device. Now you can turn on or off AutoNova via the mobile app. You can set timer on when to off the device. You can schedule the device to turn on and off on specific days and times, and it will respond accordingly. You can also set up other things like circulate, random and inching. When you go to the Settings tab, you can learn about your switch logs, our website, child lock, and other features. This is how you connect AutoNova to your phone and use it with Wi-Fi. It is available for purchase from our online store at seekenelectronics.com.